Is it time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we will explore Amazon in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 1st of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the first day of August in the year 2025, our system has identified Amazon as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.59. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this assessment to observe how it develops in the upcoming days. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 18.89% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 18.89% and 29.94%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 14.45%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -5.87% to 37.59% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $202.14 and $295.47. Our latest daily update for Amazon includes the headline, "Is Amazon stock still a buy after falling 8.27% on Friday?" The Amazon stock price decreased by 8.27% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 1st of August, 2025, moving from $234.11 to $214.75. During that day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 3.59%, ranging from a low of $212.80 to a high of $220.44. The price has shown volatility during this period, resulting in a loss of 5.03% over the last 2 weeks. Trading volume increased on the last day by 24 million shares, though this was accompanied by falling prices. This could be an early indication of rising risk in the coming days. In total, 120 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $25.69 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $242.52, while the lowest was $151.61. Currently, the price stands 11.45%, or $27.77, below the 52-week high, and 83.55%, or $1,090.45, below the all-time high reached on the 15th of January, 2018, when the price peaked at $1,305.20. Amazon stock is experiencing notable turbulence today, down more than 8% amid a broader market decline influenced by a lower-than-expected U.S. jobs report. Despite surpassing second-quarter earnings and revenue estimates, concerns about weak guidance for the third quarter have resulted in negative sentiment among investors. This drop places Amazon as one of the worst performers in both the Nasdaq 100 and the S&P 500. Analysts have responded by raising their price targets, suggesting some skepticism regarding the stock's rapid decline. Moreover, Amazon's robust growth in its North America and international segments, along with continued strength in its AWS cloud services, appears overshadowed by immediate market pressures. While Needham's analysts have affirmed confidence in Amazon's clear AI strategy assisting its cloud business, the 8% plunge indicates market apprehension about future earnings prospects. This short-term volatility might deter some investors, potentially impacting trading volumes and liquidity. In the longer term, this incident could prime investment opportunities for those viewing Amazon as a fundamentally strong player with potential for recovery, highlighting a possible value buy on weakness. However, sustained focus on guidance and market conditions remains critical for the stock's future price trajectory. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 1st of August, 2025, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned Amazon a grade of outperform with a hold action. On Friday, the 1st of August, 2025, it was reported that Canaccord Genuity assigned Amazon a grade of buy with a hold action. On Friday, the 1st of August, 2025, it was reported that Needham assigned Amazon a grade of buy with a hold action. On Friday, the 1st of August, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Amazon a grade of buy with a hold action. On Friday, the 1st of August, 2025, it was reported that Cowen and Company assigned Amazon a grade of buy with a hold action. Period. Analysts have assigned Amazon stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Amazon. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Amazon stock reflects sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. During upward corrections, resistance is anticipated at $229.50 and $221.84. A rise above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, the 31st of July, 2025, and since then, the stock has decreased by 8.27%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased while prices fell, which may serve as an early warning. It is recommended to monitor the stock more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 44 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 39 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Amazon. Amazon finds support from accumulated volume at $209.69, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Overall, the stock tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is regarded as very low. During the last day, the stock fluctuated by $7.64 between its high and low, or 3.59%. Over the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.94%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Amazon, let's quickly explore some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is relatively standard, typically observed in companies with established histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 30th of October 2025. Analysts expect consensus estimates to be at $1.53. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Amazon. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Amazon is at $219.39. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Amazon faces its first support level at $209.69. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Amazon from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Jeffrey Bezos, who bought and sold 4,806,555 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 97.595. In total, insiders acquired 178,735 shares, while selling 26,193,280 shares during the last 100 trades. We currently have a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Amazon stock a good buy? The Amazon stock currently shows several negative signals. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Amazon will perform weakly over the next few days or weeks. Consequently, we hold a negative view on this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our assessment from a strong buy to a sell recommendation since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 4th of August, we expect Amazon to open higher by $1.25, starting at a price of $216. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.